风景
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and here comes music from Cho Su and a song called Nisba Gayin, which translates to 28 plus 1, or just 29, isn't it? She's talking about her age, or anyone's age, and how the body is honest, and she's spilling out the truth and encouraging others to pay attention to their mental and physical health, and to find ease and peace and be positive towards life. So let's take a listen to Nisba Gayin.
張開心，來衝嗰了，來衝嗰了，衝水衝流，就啊就，自由自在，衝水衝流。
秋苏以温暖的嗓音和细腻的歌词来展现客家文化魅力。这首 Nisba Gayin 就是28+1的意思，主要呢是传递身体是诚实的这个人生道理，鼓励呢人们关注自己内心与身体，要专注当下，享受爱与生活，而任何的烦恼呢都可以得到释放，找到自在跟平安。真的是一首很棒的正面能量的歌。Hope you enjoyed that song called 29, or no, it's actually 28 plus 1, Nisba Gayin. My name is Joseph Lin. Thank you so much for listening. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.